Ta-da! Good evening, ladies and gents. It's been a while, but I'm back with a new video, and you're gonna be packing with me today for a beach trip that I'm going to in 2 days. I mean 2, not 4.
A lot like saying goodbye. Don't draw it out, love, it's bleeding me dry.
So I haven't been anywhere since January when I last went to New York, and I haven't packed the bag in a long time, so I'm really excited to be packing. And excuse the state that my room is in. I am packing, as I said, and I'm also redecorating, so everything's just a big mess right here. So I actually prepared some of the stuff that I'm gonna bring already right here, and I'm just gonna be walking you guys through it because this seems like very 2014 YouTube, but I actually made the list on my planner, which is very long. As you can see, it's right here. It's all the stuff that I'm going to be bringing, and I'm also planning to film some lookbooks there. That's why I'm bringing quite a lot. And I'm going to be doing my online courses there because I'm going on a weekday because all the weekend dates are fully booked, and we really wanted to go to a beach. So I'm really excited about that, and let's just get on with it. So starting off with clothes, I'm bringing these 2 denim shorts because you can really pair it with everything, and I'm just going to be pairing it with my bikinis or my swimsuit. So I have these 2 pairs from Zara. It's exactly the same but just in different colors. This one is a blue wash and this is a dark wash one, and I really like it. I think it's in the mom fit, so it's really high-waisted, and it's actually still really comfy even though it's 100% cotton, which I really love as well. So moving on, I'm just gonna be bringing 1 pair of pants, and it's this one from Uniqlo. I think it's a cargo pants situation. As you can see, it's garterized at the bottom and at the top, and it's just in this off-white color, which I really like. And it's just this one. It's really cute as well. And lastly, I have this pair of shorts. It's just white and flowy, which I'm going to be pairing with my bikini as well. Next up, I have this dress, and I think I'm going to be making it into a cover-up because it's quite see-through. As you can see, it has holes in it, and I think it's a really cute one. It's perfect for the beach with the white. As you can see, it's very pretty. And I have next is this, I'm not sure what material this is. Maybe it's linen, I think. And it's in this brown color, and it's a romper, which I'm gonna be filming for a little lookbook. And this very flowy teal dress, which I really love. I think it's gonna look so good in the beach. And for tops, I brought this little scarf that I'm gonna be making into a makeshift top. It has this cute little pattern. As you can see, it's very art deco, I think. I'm not really sure, but I think it's really cute with the patterns. And I have this 2 button down that I'm going to be using as a cover up as well. So I just decided I might bring this romper. This is just a plain black romper that I really like. It's from Forever 21, and it's really old. As you can see, it just looks like that. And I might bring this flowy dress that I wore in my Taylor Swift video, which is also really flowy, and I think it will be a perfect cover up as well. Moving on to swimsuits, I think I'll just bring this 4 pieces. This is just a bikini that was actually my sister's, but she doesn't like it that much, so I'm stealing it from her. And this 1-piece suit, which I'm actually going to have altered tomorrow last minute, just so that it fits me better because the straps are a little too long. As you can see, it's very cute. And I also have this triangle bikini. Oh my gosh, I bought a lot of these triangle bikinis when it was so hyped up, like 4 years ago, I think. And now most of it I don't even wear anymore because of the really bright colors, but this is still cute. It's just a plain black one, so I'm gonna be wearing that. And lastly, I have this red bikini that I haven't worn, but I brought it to my study abroad, and I wasn't really actually able to wear it, so I'm just gonna be bringing it just in case, but I'm not really in love with the fit, so that we'll see. So moving on to accessories, I think I'm gonna be bringing these shades as well as this Gucci one, because this is the only one that actually offers sun protection, so I just have this plain black ones. And for the non-practical ones, I have this one. It has this tortoise print all over it. I got it from Shopee, as well as the other ones. This one is so cute. Look, it even matches my nails. I think it looks so retro. I think I'm gonna pair it with the scarf because it looks so retro, and I think it will match really well. And I'm just gonna be bringing this one with the cow print. I'm not really sure if it will match anything, but who knows. And lastly, I have this tiny yellow ones, which are so impractical. It doesn't even cover my eyes. I mean, my eyes are very small, so it covers my eyes, but it doesn't really do anything, so there's that. Moving on to necklaces, I'm just going to be bringing this tree. This one is a choker type with something dangling at the bottom with a little medallion, as you can see. And I have this plain chunky gold chains that I think will pair really well with a lot of the outfits. And lastly, this is a bit over the top for a beach trip, but who knows, I might get some good pictures with this, so I'm just going to be bringing it. Moving on to bags, I'm bringing three. This is the first one. This is just a pearl bag. I got it from an Instagram shop like a year ago, and I think it's still pretty good. And I like it because even if it gets wet, it won't really matter. So I'm going to be bringing this one to hold all my stuff. Second is this highly impractical one. I cannot fit anything in this except my phone and maybe a power bank, but aside from that, nothing. But it's so cute, but it actually hurts to hold because it's so uncomfortable, as you can see. But we're gonna go work with it because we're all for that aesthetic. So, and lastly, which is the most practical one, is this rattan one. It's actually my mom. She doesn't know that I got it yet, but she'll know once we get there. But it's just this one. I can't open it with one hand. It just has this zipper and it's flat, so I think it's really cute. For headgear, I'm gonna be bringing this visor. I've been obsessed with visors. I think it looks so cute and retro, and I think it will match well with some of my outfits, so I'm gonna be bringing that also to protect my face from the harsh rays of the sun. Next up, I have this floppy hat. It's gigantic. As you can see, it covers up all of my face and my shoulders, so I don't really have to worry that much about the sun. Also, I'm gonna be bringing my laptop because, as I said, I'm gonna be doing schoolwork there. And I also have this little beach towel. It's not actually a beach towel, I think. It's just a regular scarf. I'm actually not sure. It's from Gap. No one actually uses it, so I'm just gonna be using it as a beach towel. So now that I'm done with clothes, I'm gonna be packing my makeup into this little container. I won't be packing my skincare just yet because I'm still using it. I'll just pack it the day right before I leave. So excuse the mess that is my vanity right now. My sister spilled nail glue all over it and I haven't really cleaned it in a while, so as you probably already know, I have an obsession with earrings, so obviously I'm gonna pack a lot, so I'm just gonna be choosing which ones I'm gonna bring, and since I have an idea what I'm going to be wearing anyways, I'm just gonna be basing it off of that. gonna be bringing 3 pairs of shoes. First off are these knockoff Birkenstocks from H&M. It's just these plain black ones I got years ago, and it's not the comfiest thing, but it's just for the beach anyways. So for second, I'm going to be bringing this ones. These are just sandals. It has this little rattan detail on it, so it's really cute. I think it's going to be perfect for the beach. It's not focusing, but yeah. So for the last pair, I'm going to be bringing these sandals from Visano as well. It's the same brand as that one, and I literally use this every day because it's so comfy and it's so easy to wear, and I think it matches with everything. So I'm going to be bringing that, and I'm also going to be bringing a pair of workout shoes, but it's somewhere somewhere else in the house, and I'm too lazy to get it. So that's it for this pack with me. Everything else I'm just gonna be putting into a separate bag since this one is quite full, as you can see. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Stay tuned for next week's video. It's most likely gonna be a vlog of what I'm gonna be doing at the beach. So that's it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. It helps me out a lot. Also give this video a big thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm, which I still have no idea how it works. But with that, see you guys in my next video. Bye.